You mentioned it in the article about Canadian truckers getting debanked. Debanking happens here. I got a friend, and the bank contacted him and said, "Oh, you've put through a number of transactions here. We need you to tell us about those." And he said, "Why?" "Oh, well, we're required by law." I mean, they're actually not. They say they are, but all they have to do is report that using particular forms under the anti-money laundering organ. But anti-money laundering is used as this big stick now to beat you up. And he was honest with them, and they said, "Oh, well, you need to remove yourself from our bank. We're going to stop providing you with credit. We want you to pay back your mortgages. We are going to block your credit cards, your debit cards, all of that. We're going to stop all of that because we don't want you as a customer because..." And he said, "What? Because I told the truth." And what he was doing was buying and selling, as he does. He buys things at auction, and then he on-sells them for a profit. And it just so happens that those are firearms,
Right.
which is perfectly legal. You can go and buy a firearm if you've got the right license and the right permits and all of those sorts of things. But the bank said no. So that bank shut down several $1 million worth of lending, affected several million more in terms of property value and asset value and all of that, and caused a 6-month headache for him to go and move to another bank.
And what happens when you can't move to another bank? Because it's all CBDCs, and the CBDCs were programmed that you're like a naughty gun seller. So
yeah,
you know,
it's ridiculous, and this is why I'm opposed to digital ID